Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss example 5.1. So using the appropriate interpolation formula, we need to find out the number of students between 60 and 70. Between 60 and 70, we need to find out the number of students whose weight is from 60 and 70. Okay. So the given data is this is the given data in the question. So weight and number of students. Weight and down is number of students. So 0 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Here 250, 120, 100, 70 and 50. See here, in yesterday's class we have seen that, so here we need to from 60 to 70, right? So 60 to 70 means here it is there. So if you look from forward also it is having the same two boxes, and from backward also it is having the two boxes. So better we'll do this question with using forward Newton's forward interpolation formula. So in this, if you see the frequencies, they are in cumulative frequencies here, 50, 70, 100, 120, 250, they are in cumulative frequencies. So let us change that cumulative frequencies now. So what it will come here, first let me write here weight, that is 0 to 40, next 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. So this is the weight. Next, number of students. So 250 first is 250 plus 120, it will be 370. 370, 100, 470. 470 means 540. 540 means 590. So these are the number of students. Weight and number of students. Now first, since it is a forward difference table, delta y, change in y. So delta y means 250 minus 370. 250 minus 370 means, what is the gap here? Minus 120. 250 minus 370 minus 120. Here 370 minus 250 is 120. 470 minus 370 is 100. 540 minus, it will be 70 and 50. Next, delta square y. So minus 20, 70 minus 100, minus 30, minus 20. Delta cube y, minus 30 plus 20. Minus 30 plus 20 means minus 10. Minus 20 plus 30 plus 10. So delta power 4 is 10 plus 10, 20. So these are the values. Forward difference table. Let us write the formula here. So what is the formula for forward difference table? First let us find out the n value, that is x is equals to x naught plus nh. X is equals to x naught plus nh. So x value is 70. 70 is equals to x naught. X naught value is 40 plus n into gap is 20. First case is 40, but we can take it as less than 40. This is cumulative frequency case now, we cannot consider that. 70 minus 40 is 30. So 30 by 20 is equals to n value. So n is 1.5. n value is 1.5. We will substitute in the formula. N value as 1.5. Now what is the formula here? Y at x is equals to x naught plus nh is equals to y naught plus n by 1 factorial into delta yn y naught plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught. So how many values are there here? Y naught, y1. So delta yn, y naught, here delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught. So delta power 4 also there, no? That also we need to get. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta power 4 y naught. So now let us substitute the values in this. Let me write on the top. So y is equals to y naught. Y naught value is how much here? 250. So 250 plus n value. N value we got it as 1.5. So 1.5 by 1 factorial into change in y naught. What is the change in y naught first? 120. 120 plus n into n is 1.5 into 1.5 minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught is minus 20 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into it is minus 10 plus so n value na. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into 20. So let us do total calculation of this. It will be 250 plus here 1 factorial is 1 0 and gets cancelled. 15 to the 30 15 16 17 18 180 plus 1.5 it will be 0.5 15 5 is 75. So that is 0.75. 2 factorial means 2 tens are. So 0.75 by 0.7 into minus 10. 15 5, so correct. Next plus 1.5 into 15 5 75. So minus 0.5. Okay, let me write here. Plus 1.5 into 0.5 into minus 0.5 divided by 3 to the 6 into minus 10 plus 1.5 into 0.5 into minus 0.5 into minus 1.5 divided by 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 20. Let us further simplify this. So y is equals to 0 8 plus 5 13 2 3 4 430 10. It will be 75 7.5. So minus 7.5 plus into minus minus. So 2 3s 2 5s 3 1s 3 5s. So 5 power 4 5 cube 1 625. So 625 here minus 10, right? So minus into minus it will become plus. So 1 2 3 digits before point. So 0.625. So minus into minus plus plus. So 4 5s 20, 3 5s 15, right, by 2. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 power 4, 625. 1, 2, 3. 0.625 into, here we have another 1.5, so we can write it as 1.5 divided by 2. So if I do overall simplification of these, so we are going to get approximately 423.59, which is equals to approximately 424. Let us take another question. Example 5.17. So the population of a town. So population of a town is given here, year and the population. (1941, 1951, 1961, 71, and 81). Last it is 91 also. So 1991. So population. So population 20, 24, 20, 24, 29, 36, 46, 36, 46, and 51. Okay. Now see this. He is asking us to find the appropriate interpolation at 1946. 1946 means it is very near. So we can go with forward interpolation formula. So 1946 now. So x is equals to x naught plus nh. X is 1946 is equals to 1941 plus n into, what is the gap here? 10. 6 minus 4 minus 1, 3, 2, 23 divided by 10 is equals to n. That implies n is 2.3. So we have to take n value as 2.3. Now let us write the formula. First let us draw the forward difference table. Let us take year as x, which is 1941, 1951, 61, 71, 81, and 91. So these are the years and y values: 20 lakhs, 24 lakhs, 29, 36, 46, and 57. So 57 not, it's 51. 51 lakh it is. Right. So change in y. So 24 minus, it will be 4. Here it is 5, 7, 10, 5. Next, delta square y. 5 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 5. So delta cube y. 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 8. Delta power 4y. 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 9. So delta power 5y minus 9, it will be minus 9. So these are the values in forward difference table: 24, 1, 1, 0, minus 9. Let us put these values in the formula. Now let us write the formula. So formula is y is equals to y naught plus n by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta power 4 y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 by 5 factorial into delta power 5 y naught. So let us substitute the values. So if I substitute the values, y is equals to y naught. Y naught means 20. 20 plus n value. N value is how much here? 2 point. Oh, sorry, 1946 na previously n values here. X is equals to x naught plus nh. So x value is asking 1946. Here 1940 is the starting value plus n into 10. So it will be 6. 1946 minus it will be 6. 1941 it seems, not 1940, 1941. So the difference is 5 is equals to n into 10. So n value will be 0.5. N value is 0.5. Let us take that it as n as 0.5. So 0.5 by 1 factorial into delta y naught, that is 4, plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 by 2 factorial into 1, plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into 1, plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 into 0.5 minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into 0, plus last one plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2, 0.5 minus 3, 0.5 minus 4 into minus 9 divided by 5 factorial. Now let us have the simplified steps. 20 plus 5 fours 20, it will be 2. Plus 2 factorial means 2, so 0.5, here also minus 0.5. So 5 5s are 25, it will be minus 0.25 by 2. Plus, so minus 0.5 minus 1.5. So answer is 0.5 into minus 0.5 into minus 1.5 divided by 3 to the 6. Plus 0 into something is 0. So next step, 0.5 into minus 0.5 minus 1.5 minus 2.5 minus 3.5 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1 into minus 9. What we can cancel here, see? 3 2s, 3 5s. Okay. So 5 1s, 5 1s. 3 1s, 3 3s, 9. Nothing we can cancel further. So it will be as it is. Now it will be 20 plus 2, 22. 22 minus 0.125, 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. So minus into minus plus, minus 0.125. 5 cube 125 by 2 plus it will be 5 15 5 75, 0.75, 0.25 into 35. So 25 into 35 divided by 4 to the 8 000 into 3. So overall, if I do simplification, we are going to get as 21.69 lakh people. This is the overall